Welcome to episode 10 of Off Brand. We be popping up in this episode because this week we are doing white cheddar popcorn.
Yep.
As you know, recently always, I have Chelsea here with me, who won last episode. She got all three right. So she's back to defend the golden milk bottle. Good luck.
Thank you. I need it.
Yeah, you do. So I know a lot of people that watch this on YouTube are not subscribed, so please be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you get notified when we put up new videos, as well as other content that may be coming up on the channel in the future. All right, let's get into the show, Chels.
Let's do it.
This week we have my optimal
It's your
choice.
favorite.
I had to find that word.
It's
in
your
my
favorite
brain.
food.
In my brain, I just sifted through a ton of words, and optimal was what I wanted. Smartfood white cheddar is specifically, that is my gas station go-to food. If I'm on a road trip, I will.
It's your go-to food any day.
Yeah.
Like any snacks you want, you get Smartfood popcorn or white cheddar popcorn, period.
I consider all driving a road trip, so I like having white cheddar popcorn. So that's the one that actually I think that I can find. You've had it around the house, so maybe you'll be able to find it as well, because that is generally the one that I buy. I go out of my way to get the premium brand white cheddar popcorn. But we needed competitors for this one, because this is actually the more expensive one. This one runs $3.99 a bag.
Okay.
But I got it at Target on a 2 for $6 deal. So
Nice.
you could find a deal on it.
And they have
Just
different
saying.
flavors too.
Yeah, they do. Well, I've only
Smart
found...
food.
Yeah, but I recently saw that they have a Flamin' Hot version, because my other favorite food is snack is Flamin' Hot Cheetos.
Explains why you got that.
So when I saw that there was a Flamin' Hot Smart Cheddar, or a Flamin' Hot
Smartfood popcorn.
Smartfood popcorn, I was all in. So I got it. But we need competitors for it. So we also have the Wise version. Wise is more so known for their chips.
Yeah, I didn't know they had popcorn.
Yeah, I didn't know they had white cheddar popcorn either.
But I'm also the person who doesn't look at the brand for white cheddar popcorn because I think they all taste the same.
I don't. But we'll see if I can actually tell. But this bag runs for, I wrote them all down. This one's $3.49, so it's a little bit less.
Not too much.
We'll see if the taste is still there, because I don't really know. And then trusty Aldi brand, Clancy. This bag runs, I wrote all of the numbers down on here, and then I folded over them. This bag runs for $1.59, so half. Pretty much, almost exactly.
It'll be different.
I'm gonna stop doing this before I talk. So hold on. So almost. I know it's just like I'm breaking up with you. Not you. Almost half of what the other two brands cost. We'll see if it tastes half as bad. And in my experience, I find that the white cheddar from Clancy is salty. I think it's more salty than white cheddar-y.
Okay.
And I've also tried to recreate my own with a white cheddar shaker after popping popcorn.
Oh yeah, it doesn't taste
never as good. It kind of sucks.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. So you prepared my popcorn. I prepared yours.
Yep.
No blindfolds this time because it's white popcorn.
It's true.
Even pouring it out of the bag, even knowing which one is which, I still can't. I can't tell which is which here.
So should we dig in?
Yeah, let's go for it.
Okay.
So you'll
I'm
see
starving.
all the correct answers are at the bottom, and then when we make our final picks, I will put them on the sides.
Okay.
You start with one. You're supposed to leave it up there, Chill, so people know which one you're trying.
Man, this is good. This is salty though. Thanks for the hint.
I mean, I could be wrong, so it's not that I actually know that it's salty.
Yeah, you have been wrong every single time. So
I get one right.
what'd you get? The Clancy Aldi brand.
Yeah. So I'm actually not getting smart food from this.
That's wise. Number 2 is wise. It's more buttery.
Thank you for the hint.
But that could be smart food though.
Right now, I'm thinking Aldi is number 1, but it might also be Wise, so I'm going to actually just keep them both on number 1.
This might be easy. I thought this was going to be hard. So Smartfood, if you look by it, Smartfood, from my memory, is a little bit more like airy, bubbly, like with the kernels. And this is bigger.
Yeah, I guess I could agree with you there. I'm not really sure about number 2 yet.
I'm locking down.
This might be the fastest episode yet. I think number 3 is my Smartfood.
Honestly, if you stir them all together and put it in a bag, I would be fine with everyone.
That is true. It would just be a really, like, not cost-effective way to make a snack.
Like, I see what you mean about the salty, because number 1 was definitely saltier. And Wise kind of is a little bit buttery, and I don't remember Smartfood being buttery, because I don't think I've ever had Clancy before. But I don't know which one's healthier. Because that one says air popped. Wise says air pop.
I don't know what that really means, though.
See, number 2 is still good, which I think is Wise.
I agree with you.
It has a little bit more of a cheddar taste to it, too.
I'm putting number 3 as my Smartfood. Because it's definitely... It has the most cheddar, like white cheddar flavor. Whereas, like, this is... It has a fine taste, but...
Number 1?
Yeah, number 1, but it doesn't have anywhere near of a cheddar.
See, one thing...
That one looks like Smartfood, though.
It doesn't taste like Smartfood. So after tasting the 2 and 3, I think number 1 is definitely Aldi because it has a different taste from the other 2. Because Wise and Smartfood are brand names.
Yeah, they are.
And like Clancy is like an off-brand name. But I feel like it's not...
This one's really buttery. And if I remember how...
So good, though.
If I remember how the Clancy one looks, I think I know which one is which.
But you really can't tell the difference. They're all... Except for like one's a little bit more fluffier.
Yeah, but I think I know.
Yeah, I definitely think number 1's Clancy. I'll still eat it.
I think I got my answers. This one, I kind of went into this one knowing that it was going to be a little bit quicker.
I didn't.
Because Smartfood has a very distinct taste.
I can't remember.
And I found it. In Aldi.
So you're very picky with your popcorn?
It mimics, but it's salty. I am picky with popcorn.
When my dad brought over the white cheddar popcorn from the Giant Eagle brand, I liked it. You didn't, but I did. Because it was like more of like popcorn, movie theater popcorn with like...
It was all oil.
But it was so good. Maybe that's why I didn't like it.
It was all oil.
That's why I liked it.
It was all oil. You felt it. Like you felt like a coating on your esophagus. Is esophagus the food one?
It's the pipe going down.
The food pipe or the air pipe?
Food pipe.
The food pipe. It just coats it with oil. I remember that.
I loved it.
Distinctly. And I was not a fan.
I couldn't have a whole tub of it, but I could eat the whole... Or like this, you can have like the whole thing of it.
Oh, in college, I would buy a white cheddar, like a Smartfood white cheddar popcorn, and I would eat the whole bag in one sitting.
You can do that now.
Arguably, I have a problem with snack food because
I have a problem with popcorn.
I eat to the bottom of a bag or a box. There's no stopping it. I do it. I know that. And that's generally why I don't like to buy snacks that often.
Unless it's white cheddar popcorn.
Unless it's white cheddar popcorn. Because I will just eat it and I'll be done with it.
You will
and
get,
I distinctly remember it just covers your fingers.
Oh, like white cheddar?
Worse than
Which one? Smartfood?
Smartfood just covers your fingers. Like how
a little bit more flavory.
Cheetos, cheese puffs.
Cheetos too.
Cheese puffs are like it's just cheese dusting on your hands and Doritos. A lot of snack foods just cover your fingers.
Well, thanks for telling me that one because now remember, Smartfood does leave all over residue all over your fingers. Number 3 is very extra.
It's so good.
It is so good. All this popcorn's good.
I'm gonna be very disappointed if I flipped 1 and 2.
I think I'm pretty sold.
Or sorry, 3 and 2. But that's not.
This whole episode's just me eating it.
I know, because we locked in a little bit ago. But yeah, I'm good. I'm gonna lock mine in. My answers are right here from 1 to 3. Chelsea's are from there 1 to 3.
1 to 3.
And she chose Clancy for number 1, Wise for number 2, Smartfood for number 3. Chelsea, best of luck. I
don't think I need it. But
I really hope that you don't get it right.
Oh, I do.
And I hope that I get
my fans do.
Correct. Your fans?
My fans. I have fans.
You don't have any fans.
I'm an off-brand celebrity.
Here are the correct answers. Are you ready to go through them? Okay.
Number 1.
Number 1. Correct answers are listed below, but I'm going to reveal them in a more theatrical fashion.
Oh no.
Number 1. It's like Final Jeopardy. It's like, all the lights go. Number 1 for my red.
Number 1.
For me, red.
I'm red. You're blue.
You're red.
Blue. I'm red.
Are you positive about
yes.
that?
Oh no! Are you sure you got it right?
You're red, and I'm blue.
Yeah. Are you sure you got it right?
So the correct answer,
Wise.
it was Wise. So Chelsea got that one wrong. My correct answer was Aldi.
Wise.
Look at that. Don't do that yet. That's too loud for the mics.
Well, I just want to see one.
No, not yet. Let's just finish
you.
and then we do it.
I don't trust you.
Chelsea was wrong, and she just doesn't think that I did it correctly.
I don't think you did it correctly.
She's wrong. So, but both of us got one wrong, so we'll see what happens next. So for number 2, I said Aldi, which I already know is wrong. You said Wise.
Did.
You're red.
All right. Yep.
Smartfood.
Really?
Smartfood.
Really?
For me, was also Smartfood. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh.
You read 3.
I
Okay.
I did it again.
Okay.
So for number 3, Smartfood. I got it right. So did Chelsea.
Okay.
Because that's my favorite
That makes
one.
sense. I was like, you definitely messed
So
up.
for me, it was Wise, and her, it was Aldi. So we have our number 1s and 2s flipped. And we also guessed flipped as well, which is kind of funny. So the only one that Chelsea and I got right was the premier brand, which was the Smartfood brand, which makes sense because I love it so much.
I think you messed up. Wait, hang on. I just don't trust you.
Also, if I did mess up, I would love to point out that I was good. I had it all set up perfectly the first time, and then Chelsea saw the correct answer for one of them and had to reset. So it might have gotten messed up the second attempt.
No.
I made sure.
Okay. I believe you.
Man, you can't take a loss, can you?
Nope. Well, here's the thing I'm surprised about. And maybe this is like the whole premise of the game. Like off-brand. I thought Wise...
Hang on. Okay.
So I thought Wise would be more buttery and more, I don't want to say better, than what Aldi would be.
Uh-huh.
And I think this is where the game comes in. Because I like number 2 more than 1.
Yeah.
And number 2 was Aldi. So props to them.
Oh.
I mean, I still like Wise. I'm not saying I don't.
It's okay to be wrong.
I'm wrong.
It's all right.
Oh,
She'll
okay.
deal with it. I promise.
Yeah, cry
But
myself to sleep.
Price-wise, Smartfood was the best. For sure.
Price-wise, Aldi was the best with price.
Price-wise, Aldi was... I meant, like, in this case...
Smartfood
if you
was
spend,
good.
In this case, if you spend more money, you get a better tasting product. I think that it tastes better than the other two. But I don't think... None of them, like... Even though Aldi was only $1.59,
Wow,
it didn't
job,
taste
Aldi.
half as... It wasn't, like, half as bad.
Oh,
You know what I mean?
I liked Aldi.
I still think it tastes good.
I mean, it's different from Smartfood. It's not like it didn't taste good. It's just different. Like, it
Correct.
had more of a buttery taste. Like, it's not as healthy. Maybe, like, if you look at the nutrition facts, or, like, the calories, like, it's a little bit higher than the other one because it had more butter to it. But
I would imagine they cut a couple corners to get that cost. But it's not that bad if you're on a budget. I
No.
can tell you that. So, I don't know. Let's wrap this video up. I guess we got to the bottom of it pretty quick, in my opinion. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like it.
Like it.
If you liked it, hit the subscribe button.
Subscribe it.
Please.
And thank you.
Yeah, and hit the bell so that you get notified whenever new videos come up.
Ding, 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 ding.
But we will see you. Yeah, it's okay. We will see you in the next episode of Off Brand. What should we do? Tell us below.
Not smart popcorn. Oh, nice job.
Thank you.